It's my privilege to be here with Carey Jaros with GOJO. We're here because something happened today, a fantastic honor. You're the 2024 Jack D. Ramaley Industry Distinguished Service Award. That's a long title for an honor, but Carey, congratulations.
Thank you so much, Jeff. It's a tremendous honor, and it was a privilege to be able to accept that honor on behalf of all of Team GOJO.
So here we are inside your booth at ISSA Show North America. A little branding going on. Isn't this a bit much, Carey?
You know, my house is basically Purell head to toe. I have rooms that are painted blue, rooms that are painted pink. You know, the more Purell, the better, as far as I'm concerned. Yeah.
Agreed. Well, we're here to talk about the honor you received. Tell us about what that means to you personally and your company.
It is a tremendous honor to receive the Jack D. Ramaley Award. I always say that when a leader is recognized, it's really about all the people every day who do the work, and so that's our Team GOJO, and it's also our distributor partners who, at the end of the day, are actually the ones who get our Purell products into the world. So great to be able to be honored on behalf of all of those folks.
And a very nice speech you presented as well during the award ceremony. But let's do this. Obviously, many look up to you and they want to be inspired by your story, by what you've done. What would you offer young emerging leaders, those who want to do better in the industry? Some words of advice.
So I get to talk to emerging leaders a lot, and there are sort of two things I always say. The first is you have to work really hard and put in the hours and not be afraid to do that. I think early in your career, when you're working is when you're learning. So I think that's number one. And then number two goes with it, which is know your value. You know what you're capable of. Raise your hand. Ask for opportunities. I have had just a tremendous learning journey in this industry over the last 10 years, and I wouldn't trade it for anything.
Fantastic. So how do you feel about the industry right now with what you see? We're out of COVID. Here we are. Some have said we slipped a little bit because things are back to normal. What are your thoughts?
Interesting. I think things are really moving in the right direction. Okay. 2024 for us at GOJO has been a banner year. And as far as I'm concerned, when we're doing well, it means that people are out taking care of health and well-being in the world. They have their priorities straight. They're engaging with others, but they're doing it in a way that's safe. And so I see a really bright future for us.
Yeah, I agree. It's all about the people, the networking. Here we are at ISSA Show. I know you've got a busy schedule ahead of yourself, full schedule, but thank you for your time today and congratulations.
Thanks, Jeff. This is my favorite week of the year, and I can't wait to see all of our old friends and meet new ones. Really appreciate being here with you.
They're outside waiting for you right now.
All right.